Welcome to the EdbMails OST to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OST to Exchange Migrator simplifies the process of migrating data from offline OST files to Exchange servers. It effectively handles recovery of corrupt, damaged, or inaccessible OST files and ensures the seamless migration to any Exchange servers such as Exchange 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, 2007. With an intuitive interface, EdbMails makes it easy to transfer OST data directly to the Exchange server with minimal effort, ensuring that all mailbox data is preserved during the migration. EdbMails provides a preview feature that allows you to view all mailbox items before migration, giving you a comprehensive view of your data, including emails, attachments, contacts, and calendars. The software supports incremental migration, ensuring that only new or modified items are migrated during subsequent migration operations. This eliminates the migration of duplicate data, making the migration process more efficient and time-saving. Let's see the step-by-step procedure for migrating OST files to a live Exchange server with EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select OST Recovery and Migration. Select OST to Live Exchange. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for OST file. Select the OST file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailbox folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free OST to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.